Let me take you aboard the MSC Magnifica, a ship that has been quietly winning over cruise enthusiasts since 2010. This Musica-class vessel strikes an interesting balance between European elegance and family-friendly practicality. With a capacity for around 2,500 passengers, it is not the biggest ship on the seas, but sometimes smaller can mean better when it comes to service and atmosphere. The Magnifica underwent a significant refurbishment in 2019, and it shows in all the right places. The ship maintains that distinctive MSC style with marble accents, rich fabrics, and artwork that gives you a taste of Mediterranean sophistication without being stuffy about it. What makes this ship particularly appealing is how it manages to feel both intimate and spacious at the same time. When it comes to accommodations, MSC Magnifica offers something for every budget and travel style. The interior staterooms are compact but cleverly designed, measuring around 140 to 160 square feet. These rooms prove that you do not need a window to have a comfortable cruise experience, especially when you are spending most of your time exploring the ship and destinations anyway. The flat-screen TVs, safes, and climate control ensure you have all the basics covered. Step up to an ocean view cabin, and you gain those precious extra square feet along with natural light streaming through your window. The ocean views from these rooms can be surprisingly therapeutic, especially during sea days when you want to watch the waves roll by. The rooms maintain the same amenities as interior cabins but add that connection to the outside world that many cruisers find essential. Balcony staterooms are where things get interesting on the Magnifica. These rooms, ranging from 215 to 235 square feet including the balcony space, offer that private outdoor retreat that can make or break a cruise experience. The balconies are well sized for the ship's class, with comfortable seating where you can enjoy your morning coffee or evening cocktail while watching the coastline drift by. The sliding glass doors create a nice indoor-outdoor flow that makes the rooms feel larger than their square footage suggests. For those seeking extra luxury, the suite categories deliver impressive value. Junior suites bump up the space to around 290 to 320 square feet and often include upgraded bathroom amenities and priority boarding privileges. Some even feature whirlpool tubs, which is a nice touch after a long day of shore excursions. The full suites take luxury further with separate living areas, king-size beds, and butler service that adds a personal touch to your cruise experience. The dining scene on MSC Magnifica reflects the cruise line's Italian heritage while embracing international flavors. Il Palladio restaurant serves as the main dining room, offering a menu that balances Mediterranean classics with international favorites. The evening atmosphere here strikes the right note between formal and relaxed, with smart casual dress codes that let you enjoy a nice dinner without feeling overdressed or underdressed. What sets the dining apart is L'Olivo restaurant, the specialty Italian venue that requires reservations and comes with an additional cost. This intimate restaurant serves authentic Italian dishes that remind you why Italian cuisine has conquered the world. The homemade pasta, perfectly prepared osso buco, and traditional tiramisu justify the extra expense for special occasions or when you want to treat yourself to something beyond the standard cruise fare. La Piazzetta Buffet handles the casual dining needs with international stations and live cooking demonstrations. The buffet maintains good variety throughout the day, though some guests note that quality can be inconsistent during peak hours. The key is timing your visits to avoid the rush periods when food turnover is highest and selections are freshest. The bar scene offers several distinct experiences, from the upscale champagne bar where you can indulge in premium beverages and cocktails, to the more casual sports bar where you can catch games and enjoy a more relaxed atmosphere. The drink packages available can provide good value for those who plan to indulge regularly, though individual pricing remains reasonable for occasional drinkers. Pool facilities on the Magnifica cater to different moods and age groups effectively. The main pool area serves as the social hub during sea days, with enough space for swimming and lounging without feeling overcrowded. The adults-only pool provides a quieter alternative for those seeking relaxation away from family activities and children's games. Multiple whirlpools are strategically located around the pool decks, offering warm water retreats that are particularly appreciated during cooler weather or evening hours. The sun deck space is generous, with plenty of loungers and some shaded areas for those who prefer to avoid direct sunlight. While the ship does not feature major waterslides or elaborate aqua parks, it includes splash areas that keep younger guests entertained. The outdoor lounges and cabana rentals add a touch of luxury to the pool experience. The jogging track, mini-golf course, basketball court, and table tennis facilities ensure that active guests have options beyond just swimming and sunbathing. These facilities may not be the most elaborate you will find at sea, but they are well maintained and provide good entertainment value. Entertainment and activities aboard the Magnifica follow MSC's philosophy of offering something for everyone without overwhelming guests with too many choices. The two main theaters host Broadway-style shows, live music performances, and comedy acts that generally receive positive reviews from guests. The production values are solid, though not quite at the level of the newest megaships. The casino offers a full range of gaming options including slot machines, poker, blackjack, and roulette for those who enjoy testing their luck. The nightclubs and lounges provide venues for dancing and socializing late into the evening, with live DJs and themed party nights that create a festive atmosphere without being too loud or overwhelming. Daily activities include the usual cruise staples like trivia contests, bingo, dance classes, and art auctions, but the ship also offers enrichment programs such as cooking classes, wine tastings, and language lessons that add educational value to the entertainment mix. These programs reflect MSC's European heritage and provide opportunities to learn something new while having fun. The MSC Aurea Spa provides a comprehensive wellness experience with massage treatments, facials, body wraps, and hydrotherapy options. The spa facilities include saunas, steam rooms, a thermal suite, and relaxation lounges that create a peaceful retreat from the busier areas of the ship. Treatment quality receives generally positive reviews, though prices are in line with other cruise ship spas, meaning they are not cheap. The fitness center features modern equipment including cardio machines, weights, and space for group classes like yoga and Pilates. The facility is well maintained and adequately sized for the ship, though it can get crowded during popular workout times. Wellness seminars and nutrition workshops add educational components to the spa and fitness offerings. Opening hours for spa and fitness facilities are generous, typically running from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m., giving guests flexibility to fit wellness activities into their schedules. The spa staff receives praise for professionalism in creating a relaxing atmosphere that helps guests unwind from the excitement of cruise activities and shore excursions. Family facilities on the Magnifica demonstrate MSC's commitment to multi-generational cruising. The kids' clubs are organized by age groups, with dedicated spaces and supervised activities for toddlers, children aged 3 to 11, and teenagers aged 12 to 17. The programs keep younger guests engaged with age-appropriate activities while giving parents opportunities for adult time. Teen lounges feature video games, music, and social events designed to help teenagers connect with peers and enjoy activities tailored to their interests. The staff working with younger guests receive training to ensure safety while creating fun, engaging experiences that make cruising appealing to families with children of various ages. Family stateroom options include connecting cabins and suites that provide space for larger groups while maintaining privacy when needed. Babysitting services are available for a fee, allowing parents to enjoy adult-only dining or entertainment while ensuring their children are well cared for by qualified staff members. MSC Magnifica's itineraries focus heavily on Mediterranean destinations, with regular departures from ports like Genoa and Hamburg. The ship also operates in Northern Europe, South America, and the Middle East depending on the season. Mediterranean cruises remain the most popular, offering access to iconic destinations in Italy, Spain, France, and Greece. Shore excursions range from cultural tours and historical site visits to adventure activities and culinary experiences. The ship-organized excursions provide convenience and safety assurances, while independent exploration offers flexibility and potentially lower costs. Most ports allow the ship to dock directly, reducing the need for tender operations that can slow down the embarkation and disembarkation process. Flagship excursions include private vineyard tours, guided city walks, and snorkeling trips that take advantage of the Mediterranean's diverse offerings. The proximity to multiple countries and cultures within a single cruise makes these itineraries particularly appealing to travelers who want to experience variety without the hassle of multiple flights and hotel changes. The ship's size allows it to access smaller ports that larger vessels cannot visit, providing opportunities to explore destinations that feel more authentic and less crowded with cruise tourists. This access to varied ports enhances the overall cruise experience and provides better value for travelers seeking cultural immersion. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this cruise, you can watch our best cruises playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.